these last 6 months, I have been avoiding cleaning out my closet and just cleaning it in general like it's the plague. It has just got overwhelming. It just is not a friendly space anymore. I have been making more and more clothes, and I've been transforming my wardrobe more into a handmade wardrobe, and I don't really have space for all my new handmade clothes because I have so many pieces of clothing in there I don't wear. So I finally thought that today, because it's June now, we're getting way to halfway through the year, I need to focus on getting this under control. I just got a new toothbrush too. Also, I hope you're doing super dandy today. So because I have not been focusing any time onto my closet, I have not done laundry in a very long time, so this is all my clean laundry I just did. But first step, what I'm gonna do is I obviously have to fold all this laundry and get everything out of my closet so I can really look at everything and find what sparks joy. I'm gonna do a little Marie Kondo, I feel like, today to figure out what we're keeping. Also, the rule of thumb, if you haven't worn it the last year, you probably should get rid of it. So I'm also gonna think about that too when I'm organizing all my clothes. But it's also very hard to get rid of clothes, you know? Because you're thinking down the line, like, what about if I need an orange sweater vest in the future? What if I need it one day? Benson went for a hike this morning, so he's just a little tired. He'll just be chilling here the whole time I'm doing my laundry and cleaning my closet. So first, it is laundry time, which in my defense is not all my laundry. My husband is away on a work trip, so I was nice enough that I did all of our laundry, folded it all, so that's why there's so much. For some reason, folding clothes always seems so much worse than it is. Like, I never want to do it, but then once I start folding my clothes and organizing my socks, it's kind of relaxing. Should I even say that? Anyways, I am gonna grab everything from my closet, throw it on my bed, and go through them one by one, I guess. Maybe even try a lot of them on, just, you know, I don't know, have some fun. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by BetterHelp. So personally, I suffer from depression and anxiety. It's not something I really bring up on my channel because I try to focus on happiness and positivity, but unfortunately, that doesn't fix depression. That's why I'm so excited to partner with BetterHelp because they have licensed therapists that are trained to help you and listen to you. There is a huge range of therapists on BetterHelp. There's actually over 20,000. It's really easy to get started with BetterHelp. All you have to do is fill out a small questionnaire, and within 48 hours, you'll get paired with your therapist. Once you get matched with your therapist, you can start exchanging unlimited messages with them and also book video calls and phone calls with them. Also, at no extra charge, you can change your therapist at any time. There have been over 2 million people that have taken charge of their mental health with a BetterHelp therapist. If you guys want to try out BetterHelp, get 10% off your first month by using my link down below in the description, or go to betterhelp.com, that's betterhelp.com/Phipps for 10% off. Sorry. So this bin right here is all of my summer clothes I have not seen since last year. My skirts! Oh, I am so excited to wear skirts again. You don't even know. This is my favorite season, crochet season and skirt season. Skirt. So never getting rid of that. So I think this is a good place to start. We're just gonna start with my summer clothes from last year and kinda narrow it down to pieces I will actually wear. This dress, I love this dress. Not getting rid of this. I'm gonna be wearing this so much when I go on my vacation that, oh my goodness. That just got me really excited. Oh. Got another skirt. Keeping. I need more. I should make some more skirts. This was a DIY I did last year, or a thrift flip technically. Keeping. This is like one of my absolute favorite summer tops. I didn't realize I had this many pairs of denim shorts, so I'm going to try them on to make sure they fit, because it's been a whole year. Your body changes and they could just not fit the way I want them to fit, or the style, so just gonna try them on to double check. Oh yes! Oh yes! These fit exactly perfect. I love these. I forgot I had these. Isn't that so exciting when you find things in your closet you just like forgot you had and love? Nice. These ones are perfect too. Mental reminder, do not buy any more denim jeans. Beautiful. So beautiful. I was worried I had a whole bunch of like really shorts, but they're not. They're actually good lengths. Oh, baby. This skirt is a little bit snug, but I'm going to keep it just because it probably will stretch out a bit. Maybe I just washed it, or maybe I got bigger. I don't know, but I really do like it. So after doing some yoga in it, I think it might be time for me to pass this on to someone else's skirt. I don't know, it's just riding up in my crotch a little bit. Not really liking that sensation. And I don't know if I just got bigger or I just like my clothes really, really comfy and looser fitting, and I used to wear tighter clothes in the past. Either way, doesn't matter. She's going. This one, super comfy. This is very comfy. I'm honestly a little sad. I love skirts. I didn't think I'd be getting rid of one of my skirts. I guess I'm gonna have to find a better skirt. Let's organize this a little bit. So I'm gonna put a keep pile over there, and then I'm just gonna throw everything I don't want on the ground. Keep, bye. So this sweater I really like, but it is very attracted to my dog's hair, so it gets itchy. I don't like itchy sweaters. I lied. Some of it's gonna go in my winter bin over there, like keep winter bin. Like this sweater. Look how cool this Yukon sweater is. It's one of my favorite sweaters I've thrifted. This jacket is like prime for cross-country skiing. This sweater right here was my favorite sweater for so long. I used to wear it every single day, but I'm not feeling it right now. This one I like. This one's an NHL one, or NHL PA. So I bought this cardigan back in college when I thought I was going to be entering the corporate world after college. Still has the tags on it. It was not cheap, $225. Think we finally have to give up on this cardigan because I don't think I'm ever gonna be a corporate woman. Although I do gotta say, it looks kind of bomb with my pajama shorts. See, this is what I do best. I start second guessing myself, saying, hey, maybe one day the next 5 years I will wear this and I'm going to need it. But if I haven't worn it in the last 7 years, it's probably never gonna be worn. I do look fire though, I gotta say. I do look fire in this outfit. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm saying goodbye to corporate Jenna. See ya. Never. So you probably thought, oh yeah, this is definitely all of her clothes. The video's ending pretty quick. Benson, you're laying on my prom dresses. I might need those. Anyways, nope, because we still got... You can't see it, one sec. All of these clothes! So going through my activewear stuff is quite boring, so here's a time lapse of me doing it. So unfortunately, I am a workhorse when it comes to sewing and knitting and crocheting, but not for cleaning. I need to make a sandwich. Okay, I'm done and I'm ready to finish this. So I finally came to my senses and realized that I'm probably never going to work out multiple times a day ever again like I did in college. So I didn't need 2 drawers of activewear. So I got it down to 1 drawer of the clothes I love and will actually wear, majority of them, and got rid of the pieces like my little tiny short shorts and just running gear that I just know I'm just no use to me to have. Now that's all of my clothes. All out of my closet. Sorry, Benson. I'm sorry. Move this pile a little bit over. The thing with Benson is that he sleeps underneath the covers fully at night, so he doesn't mind being buried in all my clothes. He's back there just living life. I think we're just gonna do the 1 by 1 thing where I go through them. If I like it, I put it in the keep pile. If I don't like it, I put it in the to-go pile. So this part was definitely the hardest part because I genuinely love all my clothes, but I know there's some pieces in there I just don't wear, whether it's because it's a little itchy or it doesn't fit 100% how I like it. There's just a couple things, and that always deters me from actually wearing it, so I got rid of them finally. Also, who doesn't like a sleeping dog? Let's start by organizing all my winter clothes into the winter bin. So what I like to do in my closet to save space is I have this one bin for my winter and my summer clothes, and I change them up, twice a year, summer for winter, winter for summer. Right now, I'm obviously putting my winter stuff away because it's getting warmer here in Canada. But if you have a problem with space in your closet, you should try this out. It's a good recommendation. This might kill me lifting this up. There. Ready? Back to my weightlifting days. Lifting that huge pile of clothes up there just reminded me exactly of my weightlifting days back in college. In college, I was a runner, so we had to do weightlifting to go with our running. That's why I had so many clothes for athletics. I just totally remember, I don't remember what it's called, like power clean, is it? Where you go, hop, hop, like that with the bar. I never actually got to the point where you go from here to like this, but the throwers and the throwers did that. I honestly kind of miss weightlifting. That was fun, I need to start organizing this. So I think the first step is finding the clothes I wear the most and put them on the hangers. Ta-da! First piece hung. I probably should just put them all on the hangers and then move them all over there at once. It'd probably be better. I thought I'd change it up because I was folding the whole time on my bed and I want to see the space I have and where I'm going to put things, so I'm just going to start folding these one by one. Some things I actually don't need to fold, like jeans. I actually have like a jean rack here or a pant rack that I'm just going to hang them on, so let's button this up. Button. beautiful. You guys can't see how nicely my jeans are getting hung. Ah, that lighting's better. Look at me. Fixing problems left, right, and center. Should I color coordinate these? I should color coordinate them. You don't know how amazing this feels to have an organized closet. This is the best feeling in the world because honestly, this closet has been a little stressful lately just because every time I wash my clothes, I don't have a spot to put it and then it clutters my room and it's stressful living in a cluttered space, and I knew I had to do this, but I didn't want to do it because I knew it would take this long. It's 4:15. I started at like 10, but it was worth it because now I have so much space in here. Look at all of these hangers I have. Empty hangers. So much possibility for new handmade clothes and can we see this? Can we see all these empty drawers here? Again, so many possibilities for new handmade clothes. I'm gonna go. My dog's making some heavy breathing noises over there, so he's hungry. He needs his dinner, so I better go feed him. Have a great rest of your day, breakfast or dinner, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye! Bye!